Welcome. In this video we'll be solving trigonometric equations involving tangent part 1. Let's take a look at our first example. Solve the equation given below for theta is greater than or equal to 0 but less than 2 pi. We have the equation -1 plus tangent of theta is equal to -3 plus the square root of 3 all over 3. The first step to solve this equation is to isolate the tangent. To do so, let's add 1 to both sides of the equation. Now our new equation becomes tangent of theta is equal to -3 plus the square root of 3 all over 3 plus 1. Now we're going to get the same denominator, so we get that tangent of theta is equal to -3 plus square root of 3 all over 3 plus 1 times 3 over 3. Now, doing so enables us to rewrite this equation as follows. Tangent of theta is equal to -3 plus the square root of 3 all over 3 plus 3 over 3, which now becomes tangent of theta is equal to -3 plus the square root of 3 plus 3 all over 3, since they have the same denominator. Now, combining like terms on the numerator gets you the following. Tangent of theta is equal to the square root of 3 over 3. So we're looking for any angles between 0 and 2 pi such that the tangent of them will be a square root of 3 over 3. Now, by looking at this chart, we look for a square root of 3 over 3. Okay, that happens here. So the angle will be pi over 6, and that also happens here. So our angle of interest is 7 pi over 6. Hence, we can say that our solutions are just pi over 6 and 7 pi over 6 here, given the constraints on theta. Let's see one more example. Solve the equation given below for theta is greater than or equal to 0 but less than 2 pi. So we have 7 is equal to 5 minus 2 times tangent of theta. Once again, the first step to solve for theta is to isolate the tangent. To do so, let's subtract the 5 from both sides. So we have 7 minus 5 is 2 is equal to -2 times tangent of theta. Now let's divide by -2 on both sides. And this gives you that tangent of theta is equal to -1. So we're looking for any angles between 0 and 2 pi such that their tangent is equal to -1. Now, looking at our chart, we see that we obtain a -1 for tangent whenever the angle is 3 pi over 4, and also we get a -1 for tangent when the angle happens to be 7 pi over 4. Therefore, our solutions happen to be 3 pi over 4 and 7 pi over 4, given the restrictions that theta is between 0 and 2 pi. So that concludes this quick video on solving trigonometric equations involving tangent part 1. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.